Whether you're building something for the hackathon or you're a professional developer trying RocketRide for the first time, this video is a complete step-by-step guide to get you started. I'm gonna cover everything in this video, starting from installing RocketRide to building your first pipeline through SDK, IDE or CLI, however you want it, there is a way, to deploying it on RocketRide Cloud, to connecting it with your application again. Let's get started. Alright, to start, let's open our coding platform. I open Cursor. It can be anything for you: VS Code, Anti-Gravity, Windsurf. And like I mentioned, if you are not an IDE person, that's fine. Go to docs.rocketride.org. There are few different extension options there, plus CLI and SDK, whatever is comfortable for you. Let's go back to our Cursor, head to extensions and type RocketRide here. There we go. I'll open it up. You can see I've already installed it. That's why I'm not seeing an install option. On your end, you'll see an install option right there, and Quickstart doc right below it. And once it is installed in your system, you will see a new RocketRide panel in your sidebar, and that's where all your pipeline files are gonna live. Okay, now go ahead and click on the panel, click new pipeline, give it a name. I already have new pipeline, so new pipeline 2. Okay, now this is the canvas you'll land on. You can start by choosing a source to begin building your pipeline, or you can start from a template. Here I'm selecting chat. You can see there is a chat node up here on the canvas. And apart from that, just to give you an overview, on the right side you can see multiple icons here. Hit plus icon and you will see all your nodes here. All the nodes, agents like Crew AI, LangChain, Llama Index, and then again if you see LLMs, there are tons of options available in LLMs. Not only LLM, even vector databases, there are very well-known names you can see here: Quadrant, Viviet, Astrak, Chroma, OpenSearch. Same with video, we have multiple video options, nodes available here. And if you're not sure which node to select, you can simply click on the round which is there on the right side of the node, and it shows you what you want to connect next. This is actually a good way to get started with, or just build it out piece by piece by yourself. Or if you want to move faster, open your terminal, pull up your Claude Code, and just say what you want. In my case, I'm saying something like it will build the whole thing and drop the files right into your pipeline for you. If you want to see what your Claude is working on, you can just go click on this and you will see all the files which have been created by Claude on your left side panel. It will take time to fetch all the information, all the documents, and build your pipeline. I'm going to start the recording now and we will come back once it is done. Now on the right panel, you will see a set of files. These all are created by Claude. You will notice .pipe extension file, and that's your actual pipeline. It will open up your RocketRide canvas. And on the canvas, if you can hover over any node to see what it does. If you see transformer, it is a component that transforms text into numerical vector representation. This is our quadrant, and here is our support bot, which is connected to an LLM. In this case, it is an OpenAI, and it is again wired up to an answer in the chat box. Let's save the file first, which I did by Command S, or else you can do it by clicking on this icon. Let's run it locally. After saving the file, don't forget to save the file. You can run it locally, and meanwhile it is running, there is an integration icon, and beside that there is a drop down arrow. If you go on RocketRide extension, and in the bottom left next to your account name, there is a settings icon there. If you click on it, you will see three options: account, variable, settings. In your case, you cannot see connected cloud development because my ID is already connected to cloud. You will see only these three options. Under variables, you will see all your configurations, your API keys for OpenAI, Quadrant, whatever your pipeline needs. If they are not set up yet, add them here. I'm not going to show mine on screen, that's confidential. And now click on settings. This is where you will see connection mode. And for me, it is cloud. From the starting, for you it will be by default local. If you click, you have to click local to RocketRide Cloud and save your all settings. That's it. Your pipeline now ready to deploy. If you again want to cross check, you can just go on settings. You will see it connected to cloud. Now one part is done, even our pipeline is running in the background. We need to go to browser, type cloud.rocketride.ai. This is the RocketRide Cloud landing page. Go ahead and sign in. I'm gonna sign in with my name. After sign in, you will be landing on this page. You can click on pipeline builder option and there we go. This is the same canvas which we just saw on IDE. If you click on this pipeline, and there we go. This is the exact pipeline you just built on your IDE. You can even run it right over here. Hit chat now, it will connect, and once it's live, try typing something. Let's say, hi, I want to ask a question like, hey, what is RocketRide Cloud? Your chat is ready and giving you all the answers you want. This is how you created your basic rack pipeline within few steps using RocketRide. And now, last step, connecting this pipeline to your actual app. If you can see on chat node, next to chat node, there is an option endpoint info. Click it and you will get the full endpoint configuration, your URL, public authorization key, and private token. These are the keys you will hand it over to Claude Code to link this pipeline into your application. And below that, you will also find integration snippets, Python, TypeScript, HTTP, whatever you need. Copy the one that fits, give it to Claude, and connect your running pipeline straight into your app. And that's it. You built your pipeline locally in your IDE and connect it to RocketRide Cloud. And again, wiring it up to your application using the endpoint configuration. And now your app is live with your RocketRide pipeline.
And that's a wrap. You've gone from installing RocketRide to building a pipeline right inside your IDE to connecting it to RocketRide Cloud and to wiring it in your own application. And that's the full journey, start to finish. And if there's a specific pipeline or use case you want a step-by-step walkthrough for, drop it in the comments. I'm happy to make one for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.